get what cuppa?
I've necked mine.
You necked yours. So, hi folks, just having a nice brew here. Out on my travels today down in Northwich. I was going to say sunny Northwich, but it's not sunny, is it?
No, it's not sunny.
It's definitely not sunny. Steve's still happy because he's had his fish and chips today. So down here in Northwich, popped in to see the legendary Steve Scott from Simply Diagnostics. Just popped in really just for a bit of a catch up. You've been with us a few months now, probably 3 or 4 months. So just see how things are going and what your views are on the network. Really, how you know, have we brought any value to your business, you know?
Oh, it's been awesome. It's been an adventure from meeting all the guys on the network. The value it's added to my brand is unbelievable. Because obviously I deal predominantly with the trade, and they're all saying, well, why have you needed to go in with a franchise? Why have you joined the DPF Doctor network? I'm like, the main reason is so that nobody else in the area can have this. The networking opportunity, the value it adds to my brand, the quality people that are now in my networking circle that weren't in it before, that now are, you know, Clive Atho, you know, there's just so many people that are in the DPF Doctor. It's like a who's who of the motor trade, the top professionals, the top investors. And you know, how can I, if invited to be in something like that, how can I not do it? We're
definitely stronger together. That's for sure, you know. And for me, over the last 3 years, how it's evolved to have some of these guys like yourself and, you know, Dave Massey's, Clive Atto, Carl Weaver, Sean Miller, Stephen Patterson, you know, all these guys who've got to kind of pinch myself at times, you know. So
it is the dream team, isn't it?
It's really the dream team, but we're always looking to speak to. But don't be put off. Anybody watching, don't be put off by that, because you know we've got the cream of the industry in us, but we're there. You know, we've got some fantastic guys. But attitude is you know, Steve will agree with us that attitude is the biggest thing for us. If you're forward thinking, you're investing in yourself, you want to learn, then you've come to the right place, because our networking days and our get-togethers, the amount of knowledge bouncing around the room on them days is phenomenal. So we're here to give genuine support and nurture people and take them up to that next level. You don't have to be at that level, but you need to be on your journey to that level. That's the big thing.
The positive thing is you look at some of the guys that have come on. Well, some of the garage, not guys. I mean, we've got female garage owners on there as well. The people that have come onto the network that are relatively inexperienced with the whole DPF process and DPF diagnostics and assessing vehicles correctly, which that's the battle.
It's
you know, these people are coming on, and we're able to bring them into the network and nurture them, and we're just hitting the fast forward button, like 2 years, 3 years. Like, here we go. There's. Come on, let's hold your hand. Let's bring you on this journey. Let's get you up to where everybody else is, and for me, it's just fantastic. No negativity. Everybody's positive, and that for me that reflects how I feel about the trade now. You know that we're bringing the level up all the time. We're raising the customer perception. You know, the public's perception of what we do. We're not, you know, we're not grease monkeys. We're not spanner monkeys.
I think
we're professionals, aren't we?
That's a good point. What sometimes we overlook, what we're trying to get across to the public perception of us. If this logo, if the DPF Doctor logo is above someone's door, there's no need to be worried about walking through that door, whether it's your granny or female. That's not being sexist or anything. Everyone should be comfortable that they're dealing with a professional person, because we have turned some good quality, technically, people away from the network because they're not the right people. You know, attitude, customer service is all really important to us as a brand. It's not a cash cow. Yes, it's a business. Admittedly, it's a business.
It's not a rude word, is it?
But it's done right, and you know, so raising that awareness to the customer is important, and cleaning up. You know, not just people that are part of our network. There's other good guys there that are involved with competitors, but the more good people there that are making a conscious effort to better themselves, the better the industry can be perceived by the customer. So it's all good. And we've got a brew as well.
We have,
coffee. So
I'm just really chuffed to be part of it. you know, previously before the area was available, I'm like, I need to be in on this, I need to be in this. And then when the area came up, I'm like, yeah, I'll have it. I don't care. It don't matter what it costs. I want to be in. I want to be in this network with these people. Like I say, the value it's added to my brand. My customers know that if they call me for a DPF problem, it will be fixed.
Yeah.
I've got the entire resources of the entire network behind me. It's not just Steve Simply Diagnostics looking at the car. It's the DPF Doctor network looking after their car, which there's not a lot of our competitors really can claim that.
Yeah.
You know.
No, it's good stuff. Good stuff working together. So excellent. So we'll get back to our brew.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.